JCID 8 to 15 pm battery detection module. You can detect the internal resistance of 8 to 15 pm battery and current. Standard package with 4-terminal sensing chip to detect the internal resistance of cell easily. Match with JCID battery repair FPC to modify battery health and cycle counts. Battery detection. Buckle the battery detection module on V1S grill. Buckle the battery on the socket of corresponding port. The internal resistance of battery and current can be checked. In case of power-off protection of the battery, use data cable to connect charging activation port. Activate the battery. Note: do not connect the expansion port and charging port to the expansion cable and charging cable when testing internal resistance. It will affect the internal resistance test. The internal resistance of battery can be detected. The internal resistance of mobile phone battery is usually 50 meters ohm tilde 135 meters omega. Exceeding this range indicates that there is aging or abnormality of battery to a certain extent. There will be differences between different models, so generally it will not exceed the maximum value. Expansion port supports to expand more models. Please note that the internal resistance of battery and current can't be detected by expansion port. Cell detection. The standard 4-terminal sensing clip can be used for the internal resistance of cell. Connect the 4-terminal sensing clip to the USB port on module. Take out the cell. Clamp the 4-terminal sensing clip on cell tab. The internal resistance of cell and current can be detected. There is no difference of positive and negative poles for 4-terminal sensing clip. Clamp it on cell tab of wheel. The internal resistance of cell and current can be detected. The internal resistance of cell is usually 10 meters ohm tilde 50 meters omega. Exceeding this range indicates that there is aging or abnormality of cell to a certain extent. There will be differences between different models, so generally it will not exceed the maximum value. Modify the battery health. Battery internal resistance detection module. Match with JCID battery repair FPC to modify battery health and cycle counts. Both built-in and tag-on repair FPCs can modify it. Follow the step to buckle the tag on repair FPC on battery. Buckle the battery on corresponding socket of the module. Click Activate. After FPC is activated successfully, click Modify. Choose the battery health and cycle count that needs to be modified. Click Confirm. After data writing is finished, install and boot up the phone with data cable connected. Reboot the phone after booting up. The battery data can be updated.